is Wet n Wild, Universal Water Park.
Done everything today now, haven't we, apart from the wave pool?
I know, and there was barely any queues for anything, which was good, so we got right to the front of the queue for nearly every single ride.
You're really good.
Yeah, very, very good water park this is. So where are we going now? Are we going in the wave pool? Or are we... Oh yeah. Or are we going in the lazy river?
To mine. And the wave pool then, we'll do the lazy river. Wet n Wild. The waves have stopped. Hey, did you manage it? What? What's been your favourite slide here? Brainwash over there. The blast, yeah. Started off on the blast, didn't we? Thinking that, oh, we'll just go on a slide and...
Thinking it'll just be really tame and slow and...
We'll probably get like a little bit splash wet because they were sun cream and rubbed in or absorbed properly. Just as she mentioned, oh, I was hoping we wouldn't get that wet. An absolute ton of water just poured down the back of her head and all over. It's hilarious.
Can't stand up anymore.
I'm on my tiptoes. What it says? Oh yeah, that's better, right? He's swimming like a dolphin.
You're not going to slow me down.
It's helping you float, it's giving you buoyancy. Smile. Do a twirl.
Do a little twirl then.
Mine's rising up already.
Mine's a bit big, I think.
So's mine. What's that?
Move in it.
Yeah, you can a little bit.
It's like pushing on my chest area. It's painful.
Swim on your back. No better? fun in there. Where are we off now? We pool. No. Lazy river. Lazy people going to lazy river. You're being lazy. Are you being lazy?
Very lazy.
We'll go get another tube now, shall I jump in?
Badly done.
Bye. Farewell. Last day, well, last full day of parks and stuff anyway. I'll be checking out and going home tomorrow. No.
Let's not think about that.
No. What are we doing on our last full day though?
We're going to Blizzard Beach in the morning, and then we're going to Magic Kingdom in the afternoon, and we're going to go eat at Beauty and the Beast Castle.
Yay!
Yay! Then we're going to watch fireworks.
Yeah. And possibly stay until midnight.
Yeah.
I'll go on a few rides after.
Which is way past our bedtime, but it is the last night, so try and stay awake.
So we'll see how that turns out.
I hope we can do it, because that'd be so fun.
Yeah.
But we're not as young as we used to be.
Danielle's turned 24 on this
Yeah.
holiday, so she feels
Old.
old.
Very old.
Did your band turn green, or did you just sneak in past them?
No, it was green.
We are now in the winter summerland of Blizzard Beach.
There it is.
Hello family! There's the plummet. At the top of the summit.
They have many different. So we're at Blizzard Beach Water Park today, and I'm waiting at the bottom of Summit Plummet for Adam to come down, which is one of the world's biggest free-fall water slides, and there's no way that I will be doing that. So I'm waiting at the bottom for Adam to come down. It starts somewhere up there, and it goes all the way down vertically and comes out over there. So hopefully I'll be able to see him come down from here. He's up there somewhere. There he is. There he is. he's really scared. So he's putting on a brave face. He's next. Oh, he's at the top. Oh, God.
Stings the back.
Oh dear. Was it good?
Yeah, it was really good. Really good rush.
Oh.
Doing Danielle's selection of ride now.
Yes. Oh, my style.
No, it's a bit fast and steep for your liking, really. Look at the descent on that one there. Bloody hell. It's a good thing we're going up and not down. You might feel that drop.
You're so mean to me.
I'm only kidding. Also on a skiing holiday.
Yep.
Make our way to the top of Mount Gushmore. And then I think coming down on Teamboat Springs or something, isn't it?
Coming down on the family water raft.
Yeah, basically. Turning out to be a nice day so far. Going to enjoy it. Our last day. Gonna enjoy it.
That's Summit Plummet, what Adam just did. Starts there. And it's like a vertical drop all the way down to the bottom.
And you got one next to it, which is like down, down and down.
Oh, it's a bit bouncy this is. Not sure I like this.
Teamboat Springs family raft ride.
Summit Plummet from the top doesn't look quite vertical.
Well, it's not exactly vertical, is it? Otherwise you'd just fall off the end.
It's so cold.
How was that for you? Did you get wet?
I did.
Where?
Like
Oh, where you sat down? Let's head to the Red Slope. Runoff Rapids. Wish there were more escalators
Yeah, I
or
know.
chairlifts. Fun. Whoa!
fuck out.
I'm nearly at the end. Being lazy again.
Huh? I got you.
Strong current. Have a great ride.
You excited? He's ready to go on. Alright, go. I win. Toboggan races now. Are we doing first past the finish?
Now all you want to do is go, right?
Yeah. So we are.
Close your eyes.
Not the furthest distance, no?
And then the second time, you're going to want to run back up here and do it again.
We'll do both.
Let's do both. Who do you think's going to win?
You missed the first one.
Will you? I would like
And
to.
you're going to be mad you didn't do it last time.
We'll see. Film at the bottom, because I think we'll see much on this ride anyway. You ready? See you at the bottom. So you only just made it to the finish line.
I tried to tip off like too hard.
That was so funny. Oh. Did you win? I don't think so.
Did you win?
I don't know. No. It was close between me and there's another guy next to me. I started off much faster than he obviously had more weight because he was being bombing down, and we sort of crossed about the same time. So I don't think I can claim that one. And now. Oh, it's the scratchy surface bottom again. Just watch I don't cut my foot open again. Oh, waves the jar again. Watch it don't kick the floor. Very rough. Would you like to get going? Yeah. Just say goodbye, Blizzard Beach.
Bye-bye. See you next year.
Yeah.
Maybe sooner.
We let go of our rings and see the fights that ensue. I'm free. Go Tubes. This one. Let's see. Let's see. Anyone going to claim them? No. No one wants them. There's first aid, where I went last time. So I kicked the bottom of the wave pool and I cut all my foot open, so I had to go and have some plasters put on it. Bye bye Blizzard Beach. See you next year. We'll see. Hey, let's go. Hole 1. Playing on the winter course. Oh.
I cheated a bit though, didn't I? I think I'm supposed to go for your house.
No, it doesn't matter, does it?
Oh, I know, maybe I'm not supposed to go for the house. Where does it come out?
It comes out close.
Did you go inside? Oh, hole in one.
Yes, hole in one for me. Oh! Go on, you take your third one. Nice shot. Solid 3 again for Danielle. Oh, going into the last few Christmassy holes. It's actually all even so far. Just got it through Santa's feet. I don't know where it's gone.
Almost a hole in one that was.
Let's see what adds to anything. Nearly stood on it. So Danielle to finish the game. She just gained a 1-shot lead.
See?
Can't tell whether she did that on purpose or not. So I've got to get one to draw.
So the draw.
Brings it to a tie.
It was good until he broke my foot.
Aww. Poor diddums. It was really fun though. It's close. We drew. Where's the scorecard?
And we stole some pens. Pencils.
I don't know, I'll take some. They said Walt Disney World. It's quite a fun course though. Goodbye to you. Oh. Time to head back to the bus and back to the hotel to get ready and go to Magic Kingdom. Yay! Yeah!